I got to tell you something and I think I know how you're going to take it.
What is it, Taekwondo? Pause. Oh my gosh, Shadi, are you okay? Are you sick? Did you catch something? Is that what you're trying to tell me, is that I need to get checked out?
No, stupid. Just shut up and listen. First of all, I'm cleaner than a brand new clinic. And second, I'm throwing up. Because I'm pregnant and you're the daddy.
Well, I ain't the daddy. You know you were with Kool-Aid when we took a break.
We just talked. I am not that Cheerio that I just swirl around the whole bowl. Group of dots. Listen, I'm not here to step on your toes. I just wanted to tell you that we are going have to a baby.
I done told you I ain't the baby's daddy, so you need to find Kool-Aid. Tell him that he got one on the way.
Don't make me set it off nor that look alike.
And you Rasputia.
Let me count and leave before I have to jack you up. Just to let you know, since you wanna act like that, we are going to marry to prove to you that you are Zamakia's daddy. I'll be looking forward to that child support money. Group of dots. Deuces.